It's a little dirty right now, but wanted to give you a quick overview. I always like seeing the way the tires actually sit flush. Nice rear mounted. The rear bumper is actually in really good shape. Again, it's dirty. I need to wash it, but it was, for being the plastic original, it's in really nice shape. Back seats. All this kind of suede material is really nice shape. Headliner has a saggy spot right there. For the right price, I would replace it. This little guy always needs replacing on these for some reason, just haven't ordered it yet. Just put a wood trim. Both mats, original Discovery mats, and you just put a nice all-weather. Door panels are all nice. Hello lights. Snorkel. The paint's all been ceramic coated and actually have a few high spots is what they're called. I'll show you one here in a minute, but that need to be polished off. Yeah, it's just gonna be all reflection. Let me get to the other side here. It's got a light tint on all the windows, but I love it because it's like this kind of old Coke bottle green. Same deal over here, just a really nice condition. The seats have a little bit of creasing here, and a little bit of, it looks kind of like stretch marks there. But overall, the black is always really desired in these because they don't fade like the tan. It stayed in really nice shape. I got the Boss head unit, which has like CarPlay and everything, which is really nice. Here's your controls for the hello lights. And I'll show you the engine.